Silverstone, I mean, has a lot of heritage, and for me, I would definitely watch the first corner, and also there will be a lot of excitement when the Joker and the normal lap meets. I think here it's not the best corner. It does not exist any good corners, but there's the biggest and ugliest jump of the year. You can jump really 2 meters high, and it's super difficult to adjust the speed. So normally we take jumps flat out. This one you really have to brake and balance a bit before so that you don't jump too far. Joker lap, very slippery, so the gravel section pulls in a lot of gravel to the tarmac, and it gets like ice. I would watch definitely start and first corner, because that's where most of the action will happen. Or if you are like a car enthusiast, just the big jump.